Bala Rishi Sri Visvasirashini responded to the inner call of the divine at the tender age of 10. Though she grew up as a playful child, she was able to hear voices of Siddhas and Gurus reciting sacred and secret mantras within her, which she managed to write down. Later on, the flows of mantras became so fluent and powerful, and she had glimpses of her past life and the lineage of her gurus. Even before crossing the age of 10, she insisted on being taken to Suruli Hills, where she was able to identify certain caves and places of prayer connected to her earlier birth. She is being guided through subtle communications by Siddhas and Rishis, and the main guiding force behind her sadhanas is Sri Bahula Devi Sameda Kakabujanda Maharishi. Right from the day when this divine experience dawned, Bala Rishi has developed a motherly attitude towards the world, and many spiritual seekers are becoming her devotees. Her ashram, aptly known as Sri Visvasirashini Bala Peedam, is situated in a small hamlet called Mastikaundanpadi in suburbs of Coimbatore, a city in Tamil Nadu, southern India. This is now the abode of divine vibrations, where Bala Rishi blesses thousands of her devotees who throng the Bala Peedam for her darshan. In ancient Vedic age, women in spiritual path are said to have performed homas and yagnas, though there are no much traces of such happenings in successive period. But Bala Rishi performs homas with her own Nada mantras, which runs to us together and is an undescribable spiritual experience. With a keen interest in the subtle aspects of sound, Sri Bala Rishi Visvasirashini is now doing a research in the concept of Nada. In this context, she is closely associated with leading musicians of this country. With a keen understanding of the new generation, Bala Rishi Sri Visvasirashini updates herself with the current context and problems of humanity and sees spirituality as a solution. She has a great sense of compassion towards humanity, and mental problems such as stress, depression has been addressed by her, and she has cured many people with specific ailments through her mantras. Bala Rishi's keen interest in music makes her see it as an amalgamation of powerful vibrations which not only heals the mind but also paves way for self-realization. Sri Visvasirashini Nada Yoga Foundation is yet another attempt to take a vision of Nada and subtle nature of sound for the well-being of mankind beyond religious differences. She also does a lot to educate rural children and make them competent enough to face this modern world. The spiritual journey of Bala Rishi Sri Visvasirashini is deeply connected to sacred places like Kashi and Suruli Hills. Sri Bala Rishi Visvasirashini is a vibrant young guru who is being invited by many forums to address national level seminars about today's challenges for mankind. She has also travelled abroad and has an exposure to the international community. She has a word for everyone. She has a vision for tomorrow. She has a message to convey. She is an icon of the rich tradition of Rishis and Siddhas manifested in accordance to the modern age. We are proud to present Bala Rishi Sri Visvasirashini.